about, this lecture is totally related with quick revision of the chemical kinetics. So chemical kinetics means what? Chemical kinetics, this totally depend on what? Rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction. So rate of the reaction is what? In a simple language we can say rate of the reaction is speed of the reaction. Okay. So there are some factors which are affected by the rate. Okay. First is what? Temperature. Generally or basically, if we increase the temperature, rate of the reaction is what? Also increases. So temperature is increases, rate of the reaction is what? Also increases. Second is what? Pressure. If pressure is increases, rate of the reaction also increases. Okay. Third is what? Concentration. If we increase the concentration, rate of the reaction is what? Also increases. Fourth is what? Catalyst. Presence of catalyst is also increase the rate of the reaction. So all these factors which are help to increase the rate of the reaction. So in this case, temperature. If reaction is what? Reaction suppose is exothermic and suppose we increase the temperature. So at that time rate is what? Decreases. Now listen carefully. If reaction is exothermic means what? Heat is released from the reaction. Okay. So in this case, if we increase the temperature, so at that time only rate of the reaction is decreases. But other than that, or we can say in case of endothermic reaction, okay, if we increase the temperature, rate of the reaction is what? Also increases. So, but basically, if we increase the temperature, rate of the reaction also increases. ये basic है. उसमें आगे deep में है तो exo and endo फंडा आएगा. Exo means what? Heat is released from the reaction. Heat is released from the reaction or from the system. Okay, and endo means what? Heat is required for the reaction. So this is factors which are affecting on the rate of the reaction. Now next point and very important point is what? Order of the reaction. Order of the reaction. Now this is what? First order reaction. Second order reaction. Third order reaction. And zero order reaction. So first order reaction is what? A giving what? Product. So rate of reaction is what? Directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant. Rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant only. That is nothing but what? First order reaction. Now second order reaction is what? A plus B give what? Product. So in this case, rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of A into concentration of B. This rate of the reaction is depend on one reactant as well as second reactant. That's why this is what? Second order reaction. So देखो, power of concentration of A is what? 1. So order of reaction is equal to what? 1. Power of concentration of A is equal to what? 1. And power of concentration of that B, okay, is equal to what? 1. So rate of, how to calculate order of reaction? X plus 1. So that's why 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That's why this is what? Second order reaction. In this way, in the mathematical way, we can say this is second order reaction, or in theoretical way, rate of the reaction is totally dependent on concentration of A as well as concentration of B. That's why this is what? Second order reaction. Now third order reaction is what? Rate of the reaction is depend on A, B and C. It give what? Product. So this is what? Example of third order reaction. Basically third order, fourth order, this is what? Rare case. Generally third order reaction, fourth order reaction is not occurred because collision is takes place between first molecule and second molecule. Okay. So basically third order and fourth order and fifth order, all these orders are what? Rare case. But generally first order reaction is possible, second order reaction is possible, zero order reaction is also possible. Zero order reaction is what? Rate of reaction is independent on, rate of the reaction is totally independent on the reactant. Rate of the reaction is totally independent of that amount of reactant. That's why this is called as what? Zero order reaction. So this is all about order of reaction. Now next important point is what? Pseudo order reaction. Now what is pseudo order reaction? pseudo order reaction. Pseudo order reaction. The pseudo order reaction, best example of pseudo order reaction is what? Hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Hydrolysis of methyl acetate means what? CH3COO CH3. So CH3COO CH3 when react with water. Hydrolysis means what? Reaction with water, na? So when methyl acetate is react with water, it give what? Acetic acid CH3COOH plus methanol CH3COO CH3OH methanol. Okay. So rate of the reaction is directly proportional to concentration of CH3COO CH3 as well as concentration of H2O. So देखने से ये reaction कौन सा लग रहा है? This is second order लग रहा है, but this is not like that. So rate of reaction is equal to, so we want to remove that proportionality sign, तो इसके लिए K put करना पड़ेगा constant. K means what? Constant. So K dash लिखते हैं हम CH3COO CH3. Now H2O. In case of hydrolysis, we are using large amount of water. Okay? In case of hydrolysis, we are using large amount of water. So that's why, अगर हम थोड़ा कम किया, so that is negligible. That's why concentration of H2O is what? This is again constant. That is nothing but K double dash. So K dash and K double dash means what? Constant. Both are constant. That's why K dash K double dash is equal to constant. तो एक ही बात लिखते हैं. Rate is equal to K concentration of CH3COO CH. So this is called as what? Pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reaction. This is very important. This example is also very important from exam point of view. Okay. So this is all about order of the reaction. Now next and very important point is what? Molecularity. Difference between molecularity and order of reaction. Difference between molecularity and order of reaction. This is again very important point. Okay. So order of reaction and molecularity. So order of reaction is what? Order of reaction is it is experimental value. This is experimental value. And molecularity is what? It is totally theoretical value. This is totally theoretical value. Order of reaction is maybe integer, zero or fractional also. But molecularity is only integer value. Now order of reaction is what? It is power of the concentration of the reactant. Order of the reaction is what? Power of concentration of reactant. And molecularity means what? Total reactant which are including the reaction. Total reactant or overall reactant. So these 3 points are very important. Okay. So in this way we can distinguish between order of reaction and molecularity. This is very important point. This is very important question. Okay. From exam point of view, difference between molecularity and order of reaction. So next point is what? Formulae, okay, which are important from the chemical characteristics. So there are 2 formulas which are important from the exam point of view. First formula is equal to what? K. K is equal to what? Rate constant. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 initial concentration divided by final concentration. So this formula is very very important from exam point of view. And next is what? T half. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. So this is very very important formula. इससे रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल से वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स है सॉल्व अनसॉल्व जो भी क्वेश्चन बैंक दिया है बोर्ड ने तो वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके सो यहाँ पे क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है जस्ट क्विक रिवीजन ऑफ केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. तो इसमें ये टू फॉर्मूलाज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. K means what? Rate constant. T means time. A naught means initial concentration. AT means final concentration. T half means half life of that particular reaction. 0.693. Okay. K means rate constant. So एग्जाम में देते कैसे हैं आप लोगों को है ना टाइम देंगे इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन देंगे एंड फाइनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन देंगे एंड T half पूछेंगे. So for that purpose you require to these two formulas. With the help of first formula you can calculate value of K. Substitute this value of K into this equation into this formula you will get T half. Okay. So ये 3 marks के लिए क्वेश्चन रहेगा या फिर 4 marks के लिए. Okay. So this is very very important part. Okay. And last and very important point is what? Catalytic activity or effect of catalyst. So this is graph. This is what? Reaction coordinate. This is energy. So I am drawing graph in absence of catalyst. So this is what? Reactor and this is product. So in absence of catalyst, so this is what? This type of activation energy is required. Okay. And in presence of catalyst, this is what? In absence of catalyst. This is graph number 1. इसे मैं draw करती हूँ graph number 2. So देखो. So this graph is what? In presence of catalyst. Presence of catalyst. So देखो activation energy भी कम लग रहा है. So what is the role of catalyst? Catalyst is a substance which increase the rate of reaction. Suppose A and B प्रोडक्ट दे रहा है और उसको 5 आवर लग रहे हैं. इन एब्सेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट अगर वहीं पे हमने कैटलिस्ट यूज किया तो क्या होगा? विद इन 5 मिनट्स हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली रोल ऑफ द कैटलिस्ट. कैटलिस्ट एनहांस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. बहुत टाइम लग रहा है तो वो टाइम को कम पीरियड में करता है. दिस इज ओनली रोल ऑफ द कैटलिस्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी? ए रिएक्ट होगा बी के साथ एंड प्रोडक्ट देगा. उसको 5 आवर लगते हैं. ओके सपोज इन एब्सेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट. तो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. मतलब हमको अलग से हीट देना पड़ेगा. हीट या फिर टेम्परेचर देना पड़ेगा या फिर कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट डालना पड़ेगा सोल्यूशन डालना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एक्टिवेशन. ओके सो इन एब्सेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट we are required energy for activation, but in presence of catalyst so activation energy also less. Okay so though very important role है catalyst के. first is what we know that rate of the reaction is increases because of catalyst, and second role is what activation energy also required. Activation energy also less if we are using catalyst. Okay we require less amount of activation energy. So this is all about what क्विक रिवीजन ऑफ केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. इसमें क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है मैंने सारा बोल दिया. कुछ अगर मिस हो गया तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं कवर कर दूंगी. तो देखो ये पूरा लेक्चर में क्या है पूरा ये वीडियो में क्विक रिवीजन ऑफ केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्या आएगा? क्वेश्चन बैंक जो दिया है बोर्ड ने वो कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो सारा सोल्यूशन वो सारे क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आएंगे. तो उसमें क्या रहेगा? सारे क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर एंड जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है रिलेटेड विद केमिकल काइनेटिक्स हो जाए. इसके बाद जो भी वीडियो रहेंगे उसमें क्या रहेगा? क्विक रिवीजन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर. एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्या रहेगा? क्वेश्चन बैंक का सॉल्यूशन.